Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a low height rolling stool in black. I'll show you guys what this is, and we will assemble it together. Okay, box empty. Everything is in this. Let's move you down. We'll see how we do this. Okay, we don't need anything in there. We have some wheels. I'm gonna guess the wheels go in there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, we fully assembled our rolling stool. Check this out. So there we go. It's not gonna roll very good on my counter, on my rubber mat. But let me aim you guys over here on the floor, and here we go. So this is it on here, and it rolls, does not roll. We have to pull up these little tabs. It's got these little tabs on the wheels to pull up to make it roll. And then we can roll it. Oh, lost it. And it rolls really good. And let me sit on it here too. Oh, see if I can move you guys a little closer here. And here we are. I am on the stool now. And it's got a good fit. I'm about 190 pounds, and I ain't gonna roll without a problem. My little puppy's gonna watch me as I roll, probably rolling over her. I know. Let's see, there it is. It's good. Be great for like a little home, doing little crafts and stuff if you got something low to work on, or if you're working on cars or anything like that. So it's a nice little stool. Thumbs up.